Hello guys, it is nice to see you again. Are you ready for the new riddle? This one is my favorite. It is about golden pounds and weightings. So, we have 12 golden pounds, but one of them is phony. Also, we do not know if the fake one weighs more or less than the true pound. We have a scale which simply compares two weights together. The question is, how can we find the fake pound with only 3 weightings? It is a difficult one, and start thinking.